I remember when I started Ispeba, my first venture, I came from corporate background and I had no understanding and idea of the entrepreneurial journey, right? So, what kind of experience do you have going in? If you're founder or CEO of your company, is that a role that you have played before, right? Is it one that you're comfortable with? And that is what brings me to my first question. What is more important, mindset or skills?
Yes, Pia, you have rightly said because, so many people, though, right now from their corporate background, they are moving to the entrepreneur journey. So I feel in that case, both of them are equally required. If it all depends what type of entrepreneur, what type of company we are launching, and then as per that company, what type of skills do we require? In that case, what I will do, I will write down the skills that okay, my this company it needs me these type of skills. Maybe I don't have all of those skills. So in that case, based on my strengths, based on my skills, I will have the mindset, because many times we have limiting beliefs, and those limiting beliefs, they ask us not to take that action. If I give my example, when I launched Indibala, which is kind of my business model was B2B. So I was present on many B2B portals. So my half day used to go just to take care of the inquiries I was receiving through these portals. And I realized, my half day is gone here most of the time. Now I'm not able to take care of the resources. I'm not able to take care of my competitors, what they are presenting. I like my marketing plan was also like, most of the times I used to see I'm kind of going behind there. There is kind of some shaky plans there. So I kind of thought that my skill, which is going right now just to take care of these inquiries, if I calculate it into the time and effort and money I am putting, and if that amount of time, if I can hand over to some other skilled person who can take care of this, I will be having so much of time to take care of other side of the business, to bring the business.
Right.
I hired another person, and she was such extremely, qualified lady. She took care of this chart so beautifully. And now I had this much extra time to find out where are the other resources, which are the trade fairs I can take part to, which are the other, distributors or other chain stores I can contact to. It helped me so much. So I had to block, that type of mindset. Even if I'm taking this step, number one, I had to delegate that work. And I could having that, type of mindset, it was difficult at that particular time for me, because I was not having that confidence in that person. But the amount of effort she started putting and results she started showing, I thought, oh wow, that was such a good decision I took.
Right. Right.
So both of them are important. Please take care that which mindset you need for your business to take care of the skills and strengths you have.